stay. There were years I let the past speak for me, or the weight of things I didn't choose. Let the old story write the next chapter, like I had no say in what I'd lose. But somewhere between the pain and the mourning, I found a line I hadn't crossed before. The line that said, this is where it happened, not where I live anymore. I can carry it without becoming it. I can know where I've been and still choose where